the view.
How come you get yours here? Yes. Because I requested directly.
Almost 11. Pablo Ponce, say hi. Hi. Okay, so it's Saturday, 10 something in Japan, and I'm getting ready. I'm not ready though, but we are probably gonna go to Shinjuku today, and that's where Tokyo Hands is. So I'm probably gonna vlog, and there's gonna be lots of those like gachapon stuff. So yeah, see you later. Okay, so we're walking to a samurai museum. Say hi, Pablo. I don't know where we're going after that. Pablo, look. Emo kid. Other emo kid. Not emo.
What is it? What does emo mean?
You know, I think like emotionally moderately overweight. No, just kidding.
I want to. Who would it do?
Where did
I
it
like the
go?
wings.
What the?
Ooh! That's lighting. Oh, it's moving the wire.
Let's go to the samurai museum.
Samurai or a fake? Or a fake?
For next story is 12:40. Wow, for wow. So
Pablo.
that already fruit now.
What?
We all have one. JJ. It's a PPAP pineapple. How did you find the samurai show?
Derpy.
No, it wasn't. I wasn't allowed to vlog because there are no videos allowed to take, so sorry.
Nice.
It's 16 degrees.
I don't care.
You don't know how cold it is here. So yeah, we're off to a robot restaurant.
You know this restaurant, what's that?
It says right
The
there.
waiters are restaurants.
Oh, it's like bots from Sam and Cat.
Yeah, I want to go there. Oh, ate. 16.
7? That's, oh yeah, no, yeah, 16.
It's like bots,
Oh,
Pablo.
there's tacos here.
Ooh.
May taco, may tacos.
Oh, Pablo. Oh, Daddy, can we eat here? For lunch?
See that?
We just passed it. We passed it, right?
Godzilla.
Godzilla. I want a better view.
But that's Kindako right there.
At the UFOs, Squishies. Looking for Squishies.
They're so big and cute.
Those are not Nakoatsu. Nothing here. Now we're in Uedobashi.
Daddy, can I get?
Pablo,
Dad, can I get anything, please?
go get one in Uedobashi.
I wanna.
I don't
It's a whale. It's a whale. It's a whale. It's a whale. My whale.
Oh, pop socket. Should I buy a pop socket? There are
other
pillows.
Pablo here. Is this all? Ponce.
We are at Tokyo Hands on Where do we stand? The left, I guess. Once everyone's standing on the left.
So cute.
So much sticker flakes.
What's this? Sticker tape.
Then what is much from Nickelodeon?
I know I saw.
There's a cat.
I thought you said you're gonna use another plastic.
There's a cat piano.
Once is using his own money, so you also. We have a budget.
Capybara. Oh, those are baskets.
Pablo's buying Totoro. The birds could poop on the. No, it's on the bottom. It's not covered.
Pablo, say hi.
Hello, I got a Totoro.
We're going to Harajuku. And it's her name.
What's Harajuku?
It's where all the squishies are.
I'm gonna buy again.
How many vending machines did we find yesterday? 70.
Put this here.
I found 75.
Put this one
75.
in the back. Like that.
And today we're gonna find more.
Not here. Not past the yellow.
Mommy, should I keep it like this?
Everyone's first day to.
I don't wanna lose
Cherry Blossom Park, but it's super wet. Here. It's a squishy pig.
Wait.
Wait, Gab. Let your tita.
We're both Instagramming. Oh, your turn, babe. Smell it, Gab.
Ayan mo. Kasi mo.
Smells like my squish.
It's a sorbet. It's inside a peach.
It's a peach sorbet inside the peach.
They're big stuff. Ate, look, they're giant. Ate, look,
I
they're...
don't see any JoJo balls.
Ate, look.
Lots of turtles. And yes, Ponce, I also saw the big beanie boos.
Mommy.
I am supposed to hold you. I'm not with the kitty man. This is
So many.
Yep, corn.
Guys, we're going to McDonald's.
Naman.
Yeah, so to make it going better. Let me get the salad. I just get your cheeseburger also.
Nugget.
Nugget.
Going there, I know I'm not, but there's just more squishes. Super fast. You hungry?
tao. Kayo. Come on.
No. She's not on this floor.
Vlog.
Let's go around. I want to go to the boys section. Boys are in here. I've been following the whole thing. Whoa. You're ready to go shopping, Ate. You're ready to go shopping.
Can a person just leave the Hello Kitty down? Can you look for toys instead of playing the game? We'll never do that.
Okay.
That's all I have for today, and I will be vlogging tomorrow Disneyland, then Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and maybe Friday. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this part 1 of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Toodles!